What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw a fork. There's commonality between the process of drawing a fork and portraits, and that is we always want to start with the basic shape first before we get into the details. So let's start in the center page. We're going to draw an angled line, starting from the top right. Just want to come down toward the left side. Now that we've defined the angle of the fork, we want to start defining the shape. So let's start at the bottom of the handle, draw a short angled line coming down and across. Now as the handle goes up towards the top, it gets a little bit narrower. So right here, it's going to follow that angled line going up to right about there. Let's go to the bottom right. I'm just going to taper this so it gets narrower as you come up towards the top with a straight line. Now from this point, we're starting to bend the fork coming down towards the head. So up here, bend this across toward that center line, go to the inside and do the same thing. It's going to follow that curve going out. Now I want to duplicate that angled line across the base of the fork. Going across. Now let's curve the fork starting from the left side, bend this up towards the top, go over towards the right side and do the same thing. Going up towards the same height. I'm just going to flatten this off. Now that we have the basic shape of the fork, let's go back and clean up our guidelines. Now let's stay up in this area and add a little bit more detail. So from that bottom line, one step up, draw another straight line going across. And we want to separate the fork into 4 parts. So from the outside, step in, it's going to follow that curve coming down. Do the same thing from the outside. Now I want to add 2 more prongs along the inside. So let's start with the guideline. You just want to evenly space this out. And we can just lightly trace that along the outside. And we can go up towards a point if we'd like to. Just go a little bit wider as you come down. You can also do the same thing with the outside. Let's go back and clean up the tips. And now that we have the basic shape of our fork, we can go in and start adding some more detail. Now I want to round out the bottom of the handle. Coming down and then up. And we also want to add a thick edge along the bottom and side. So just round this out and go up. You can also give this fork a little bit more curve. Go across the bottom. Just going to bend that down toward the end. Now let's round up the edges of the fork so it's not so sharp, going up toward the tip. Also see the back side. Round out the back side of the fork. Set a thick edge along the front. It's going to follow that curve going up. And again, just tapering it out towards the neck. Let's do one final cleanup before we add some more detail and shading. Now the process from here is pretty straightforward. We just want to trace the contours, just refining the shape as we go. So we start from the top. And we also want to round out the base of each prong, going around and then back up. I'm also going to add a thicker edge along the inside on the right. I'm going to go back down, just work on the handle. Now from here we're going to start adding some reflections. Start around that corner. Just going to darken that up and fade that out toward the left and right side. I'm also going to darken up that edge from the head coming down. Just add a little decorative detail across the base with a curve. And just fade that up along the sides. Now it's going to darken up the base and then fade that up. Add a little bit of a darker reflection on the right side of the handle. Now I want to place that fork on a surface. So we're going to add a shadow and reflection. So let's start underneath the head, bend this around, and come down towards the bottom. Let's darken up the top, and then fade that out. So also add a little bit of shadow across the bottom of the handle, and go up underneath. You just want to soften up the edges. A little bit darker along the inside and fade that out. I'm going to add a shadow of each of those prongs going up and then out. So we're just going to bend this away, starting darker and then fading that out towards the tips. I'm going to wrap up my drawing by softening up the shadows, and always be sure to sign my artwork. And that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a fork. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw simple things just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.